Everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. This one's going to be about the Petrol Box for October. I'm behind. I know it's already November, but let's see what we got from Petrol Box for October. See what we got. Trying to set up some cameras here. Petrol Box October. If I can get it open. There we go. So if we won that golden ticket, that so you guys can see Petrol Box. Thank you. Basically tells you what you get for the month. We got a T-shirt, Petrol Box Race Cycle T-shirt, Petrol Box Race Cycle air freshener. Oh, looks like we got a Jay Leno's Garage. Oh, quick detail, cool. Been wanting to try his product out. We'll see. We got one on two coaster, Advan coaster. Cool. We got one before that. They're pretty cool. Then we got a looks like a Key Smart Key Catch and a Rag Company. Got something from Rag Company. Well, let's open up. Did we get a golden ticket? +2 if you get a golden ticket. Get a free set of wheels. Alright, let's open it up. See what goodies we got. Oh, I see what we got from a Rag Company. Got us a premium soft all-purpose Terry Microsoft towel. Endless. Pretty cool. What does it say? Mop and drying. Can use for drying, scrubbing, cleaning. Let's say for removing wax. For cleaning, scrubbing, dusting, mopping, drying, wiping. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, it feels like this would be good for like interior. Looks pretty good. Oh, okay. Wow, key catch. Check that out. Yeah, it's screwed into the screws. It looks like from your switches, light switches. You can hang your keys up there. Magnetic. That's pretty cool. Holds a watch. That's pretty neat. Oh, and here's the Jay Leno Garage detailer. Pretty cool. It's orange. I have to try this out. Well, it's kind of cold out. We'll try it out as soon as it gets warm out. Plus, I got some other videos I like to do. It's a surprise for detailing. Oh, we got a sucker. Yeah, I like those. We got the Rider of the Month. We got a VW. We got a Greg French October. So we put them right here by the other one. Boom. Right there. That's from the other month. September, October. I got some on the other side. And here's a coaster. Advan coaster. That's pretty cool. It's like a wheel. You hate to use these things. Are so nice. You hate to use it. Christmas coming up and hanging as a Christmas ornament. So they got the whole. I don't know if the wife liked that, but let's move that there. You got our air freshener. That's pretty cool. Got a cone on there. And then you got your nozzle for your spray. And we got a T-shirt. Oh, pretty cool. Let's check T-shirt out. Let me put this down here. T-shirt. There you go. That's pretty cool. Nice T-shirt. I like that color. Basically the same key catch. Looks like not the key catch. The air freshener. Race brake. Fix race brake. Duh. The heck am I thinking? See? You race it, you break it, then fix it. Haha. Took a second to get from there, huh? That's pretty cool. So yeah, some good stuff here. Like another cool month for October for the Petrol Box. Right here's the goodies. It's nice getting the T-shirts and that. And you got little goodies that you never think of. That's pretty cool. I have to see where I'm gonna put this somewhere. That's a cool idea. And then some more detail spray. Of course, always like detailing stuff. And another cup holder. Give that to the kid. He has the other one. Air freshener. I'll put that in my car. One of them. And then the sucker's mine. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, appreciate you guys taking time watching these videos. I appreciate it. I'll have the link for Petrol Box below. If you guys want to check them out, it's up to you. We're going to continue to get the box right now, and it's nice getting a little extra stuff, and especially too, you getting stuff we can try out for the channel, detailing stuff like the one box had the jet wax interior cleaner. We have a video on that, testing that out. Really good product, and it's nice getting a couple, the Microsoft towels. You can't go wrong. You can never have enough of them, and the other nice little goodies you get to it. So yeah, look like a cool month. So yep, so don't forget that like and subscribe button, and I appreciate you guys. You guys have a great day. Later.